Hello, Media Dot Exchange. This is Jay Quinn, and today we're gonna play Rule of Thirds. My top two favorite queens would probably be Bianca Del Rio, kasi tabi lang dila ni Bakla na. Tsaka si Miss Cracker, dahil sa stupid sense of humor niya. And yung pinaka-recent favorite ko is si Nintyo Win for Asian Excellence. My top three K-pop girl groups are IVE, because I love some very elegant themed girl groups. I also love Islet kasi mahilig ako sa mga aesthetic na very dreamcore or very cute. So yun, nakaka-relate din ako dun sa mga ganong aesthetic, sa mga ganong fantasy. And yung pinaka-recent na favorite ko is na na. Sila yung mga favorite kong girl. One queen per season. On season 1, I want to see Brigading. Kasi sobrang galing na drag queen ni Brigading and parang na-water down siya sa no branding. And sa season 2 naman, I want to see Bernie sa All Stars. Kasi feeling ko naman deserve ni Bernie yung crown dahil umabot niya siya sa dulo. And siguro parang kung hindi siya kay Kat tatapat, siguro siya yung winner. And sa season 3 ako na, bigyan nyo naman ako ng magandang storyline. Bigyan nyo ako ng magandang edit kahit per once para para makamove on ako sa buhay ko. What is next for me? I'll be releasing a lot of music out of drag. That is next for J Quinn. So parang making sideline or hobby na lang yung drag version. And I'm gonna explore more of myself out of drag. With music, P-pop, and more artsy stuff out of drag. Again, this is Jay Quinn, your queen of bonding, and thank you for watching. Until I see you next time.
A highly anticipated global boy band surge is here. Be the next 9 Dreamers. Makikilala na ang Dreamers who will take the stage. All set to take their talent to the next level. Hosted by our very own Pinay at Heart, K-pop sensations, and Dara Park. Featuring a stellar roster of mentors. Chan of EXO, Hyben of Momoland, Jin Park, Bang Yedam, and from Horizon, Vinci. With choreographer Birwan Hee and producer Bullseye. Be the next 9 Dreamers. Ngayong February 8 na sa TV5.